for tonight, and we'll be back to Manila. And this is just an overnight, no? So we're done with the test drive, and this is actually a nice place, you know, good for an overnight stay. So talagang malinis, friendly yung staff, no? Kahit isa lang yung staff kanina, but I must say very nice, no? So, and the price is also very, very affordable. So we're gonna cap the day, we're gonna take a rest, and I'm gonna check out more of their amenities and their places here later. I mean tomorrow. So bye guys, good night. Guys, bagong gising. So we actually stayed overnight dito sa isa sa mga affordable hotel dito sa San Jose, Nueva Ecija. So I'm gonna show you their amenities, and if you're gonna drop by and visit this place sometime in the future, again, you have to of course practice the safety protocol, social distancing, wear masks, wear face shields, and of course if it's really required, you know, you have to take some swab test, no? But clearly this is a very nice overnight hotel, and I'm gonna show you some of their clean facilities. But just to share with you what I like about this hotel is that it's very neat and tidy. The staff are very friendly, and later we'll take their breakfast. Very affordable yung kanilang overnight rate, plus it has free parking, safe yung parking, plus also there is breakfast included. Alright. Hey guys, good morning. So We did some overnight stay here in Nueva Ecija, San Jose. We're staying here is in a very nice hotel. Actually, they had a partnership with Red Doors. If you're familiar with Red Doors. By the way, disclaimer: this is not a paid ad nor a sponsored vlog. I just wanted to share with you our experience here in JollyDays Hotel. What I like about this hotel is that it's very neat and tidy. Plus, it's very affordable. Sorry, lipat lang ako ng ano. And they also have like yung, of course, uso-uso kayo mga plantito, plantita. But for them, they have this sets of bonsai, which is really nice. It reminds me of Japan, you know. And also, it looks very amazing kasi para mapalaki ng ganyan yung size niya. Yung iba dyan sigurado mas malaki pa dapat na tree, but they were able to make it bonsai trees. But looking at it clearly, talagang mukhang mahal to, no? Mukhang this is very expensive. Yan. Plus their furnitures inside the hotel are also expensive. It's made from wood. Yung mga wood natin dito sa Philippines na talagang mamahalin. I'm not so sure kung ano yung mga woods na yan, but we saw from the lobby and dining hall of the hotel is nandun yung mga kanilang wooden furnitures at may mga price. At yung isa sa pinakamahal na nakita namin, which we'll check later on, is 130,000 para lang sa isang dining table, no? So it clearly, if you're gonna visit San Jose, Nueva Ecija, you want some overnight stay, this is a good place. They have free parking. Also, breakfast is included for only 1,500 overnight, no? So there you go. So doon nakapark yung sasakyan ko. Okay? And they have a very huge parking, okay? And very peaceful. And beddings is very comfortable. They have hot and cold shower or water, no? And they also have drinking water. Not really naman a 5-star hotel. This is just a very simple hotel, but still for the price of 1,500, you get all of this good freebies or inclusion. So really, this is a nice overnight hotel. So if you're gonna visit San Jose, Nueva Ecija, this is a highly recommended. If you're traveling all the way to Isabela or Pangasinan or Baguio, you can drop off to this place. So the name of the hotel is JollyDays Hotel in partnership with Red Doors. So we asked one of their friendly staff about their wooden dining tables over here. It's so nice, truly Filipino. The theme of this hotel is actually nature, kasi province. But since San Jose is a city already, the owner of the hotel wanted na talagang they live with the nature theme of their hotel. So very artsy. They have this hanging paintings, and of course complementing the wooden dining tables. In our room, meron din wooden bed and of course wooden long chair actually, So also one of their future plans is to have car services. So if you're gonna be dropping by or passing through San Jose, Nueva Ecija, pwede kayong magpa car wash. Right now wala pa. So one of their future plan. In front of the property is actually Hapchan, and that's one of the advantage of going here because it's a restaurant. It's a Chinese restaurant actually. So if you wanted to eat Chinese cuisine or dim sums, it's just walking distance, So one of the special highlights of this, this nice hotel is, aside from its nature theme, is the bonsai. So yung bonsai. So usong-uso yung mga plantito-plantita. But of course, bonsai, isa yan sa mga mahal talaga sa plant sa garden plant market, no? So and also the staff are very courteous and very friendly, you know. So ako kasi I'm very particular when it comes to the staff, you know, kasi syempre it's a reflection of the business kung sila ba ay respectful, courteous, attentive, and friendly as well, no. So yeah, so far this is a highly recommended hotel here in San Jose, Nueva Ecija. Plus what I love about it is that we had a good night's sleep. Yun yung maganda, malakas yung aircon, the shower they had hot and cold and clean. They also have cable. So going back again, the internet is very strong. So even though we're on the other side or the other wing of the hotel, so definitely abot yung internet. So nowadays the internet is a necessity already, especially if you're traveling, you wanted to stay connected with your loved ones, you wanted to call your friends and your family via social media, you know, and you wanted to stay updated on what's happening in the entire world. So that's why internet is very important. So here, you were really surprised because the internet is very strong. You can actually watch, and you can stream using your smartphones, no? So yeah, there you go. So this is a highly recommended hotel, JollyDays Hotel here in San Jose, Nueva Ecija. And if you like bonsai, if you like plant, nature theme, you know, this is a must visit, a must stay hotel here in San Jose, Nueva Ecija. Plus they have free parking, courteous staff, friendly staff, free breakfast, and the dining tables are actually for sale. Pwede kayo magpa-gawa no, ng dining table or bed or anything na made from wood. These are actually molave, according to one of their staff. No? So truly, it's a Filipino product. So there you go, guys. So okay, so we're just gonna cap our day. There you go, guys. I know you guys are all looking forward, or all of us are looking forward to really travel, but still we have to practice social distancing, wear your face mask and face shields, follow the IATF protocols. If you need to really take swab tests before going to different locations in the Philippines, please do so, and also please keep safe. All right, and then guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and of course hit that notification bell. Plus don't forget to support this channel by subscribing to my channel, because here you're the winner.